Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Chess Titan chess game for Windows 11 and Windows 10. Chess Titan is one of the most popular chess game in the world and developed by Oberon Games and included only in Windows Vista and Windows 7. Here I am going to show you how to install it in Windows 11 and Windows 10. So first you need to go to this website. I have put the link in the description. You can use that link to come to this website. Then you need to download this software. You need to save it in your computer. Now this is a zip file. You need to use a software to unzip this file. Here I am going to extract this file. Now you need to install this application in Windows 11. Here you not only have Chess Titan software, you have all the games in Windows 7. Here let's continue the setup. Here you have all the games in Windows 7. Here I'm only going to select the chess. Now Chess Titan is installed in Windows 11. So now if you want to open the software, you need to go to this PC, then drive C, you need to go to program file. Here the games are in the Microsoft Games folder. Here you can access the games. Let's open the Chess Titan. Here you can play the Chess Titan in Windows 11. Okay friends, let's see you again with another video like this. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get the future notification.